The Makita 18V LXT Lithium-Ion Cordless 2-piece combo kit breaks new ground for drywall contractors. It includes the 18V LXT brushless drywall screwdriver featuring the exclusive push-drive technology. With push-drive, the screwdriver can be set in lock-on mode and the motor will start only when the fastener is engaged. This gives contractors a quieter work environment, and also saves battery power for longer run time enough to hang over 40 sheets of drywall on a single charge. The combo kit includes the 18V LXT cutout tool with a slim body design and 30,000 RPM for fast cutting. The kit includes two 18V LXT 5.0Ah batteries with a category-leading charge time of only 45 minutes for less downtime and increased productivity. For added convenience, the batteries feature an onboard LED charge level indicator. It's part of Makita's expanding 18V lithium-ion system, the world's largest cordless tool system powered by 18V lithium-ion slide-style batteries. Makita 18V lithium-ion batteries have the fastest charge times in their categories, so they spend more time working and less time sitting on the charger. For improved tool performance and extended battery life, Makita created Star Protection computer controls. Star Protection is a communication technology that allows the Star Protection-equipped tool and battery to exchange data in real-time and monitor conditions during use to protect against overloading, over-discharging, and overheating. For increased versatility, the tool can also be powered by Makita 18V LXT and compact lithium-ion batteries with the star symbol on the battery indicating Star Protection inside. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Drywall screwdriver with BL motor delivers 4,000 RPM to handle a variety of drywall and framing applications. Number 2. Push drive technology in lock-on mode. The motor starts only when the fastener is engaged for a quieter work environment and to save battery power. Number 3. Extreme Protection Technology, XPT, is engineered to provide increased dust and water resistance in harsh job site conditions. Number 4. The BL Brushless motor eliminates carbon brushes, enabling the BL motor to run cooler and more efficiently for longer life. Number 5. Efficient BL Brushless motor is electronically controlled to optimize battery energy use for up to 50% longer run time per charge. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.